Okay, I just did some tests, double-sided tape, just to make sure my LED orientation is the right way around. I don't want to have to hand fix all the LEDs on there. They are correct, so I'm going to run a panel, which is sitting in there right now. First panel, here we go. Neo7 Mini. Do fiducials. Going to take a while. I'm actually doing it the whole panel at once, not doing it individual boards, as you can see. That way I can optimize the pick and place heads to always grab either full 8 parts at a time if I can, 4 0402s and 4 LEDs, or just 4 LEDs. You have to use different sized nozzles for them. So this is the most optimal way to build the panel. And I normally don't build things this way. And there's the compressor. So in a moment it's going to just switch over to 4 LEDs at a time. I hand manicured the pick list to be able to get them this optimized. It's 400 and something parts per panel. Can't remember exactly how many. Okay, it's up to the resistors now. And here we go. Now, how cool would it be if I had a nozzle changer? An auto nozzle changer would have allowed me to do 8 sets of 0402s at once, and then 8 LEDs at once. Would have sped me right up, because now I'm doing half the pick and place head at a time. I could be placing 8 at a time, but anyway, nothing I can do. These machines don't do auto nozzle changing. You need to spend a little bit more money to get something like that. And I'm going to go through a lot of these LEDs. These are 1515 RGB LEDs. Right now I'm just going to run the one panel, because I need to then reflow it, validate the panel before I do more. So for the time being, while it's going, I didn't use my stencil printer for this. Would have been too much work, too much wasted paste and everything to do that. And I'm also using my water-based SAC 305 this time, not my RMA, because it's just easier to clean. So I actually don't have enough of the water-based to put it on the stencil printer. There's only a small amount left. I need to order some more. So instead I'm doing the stenciling on my manual, and what I've actually done is I printed a brand new vacuum system on my new bamboo carbon, and I've been slowly reprinting all of the holders. So I printed this holder yesterday. I've even got little Neo7 Mini cut out of the holder. So I'm standardizing them all onto this new bamboo one. So that was just a manual stencil. And if this works okay, I will continue maybe just doing manual just for today, and I'll build 4 or 5 panels later. But for now, I just need this first panel done so I can validate it and make sure all the LEDs are the right way around and I haven't done anything silly and there's no defects on the board from JLC. Wouldn't be the first time. Well, clearly there was more than 429, maybe 479 or something. I'm sure it ended in a 9, maybe I'm wrong. No, 499, come on. 490, there you go. Oops, I forgot to turn the conveyor on. Ah, bummer. I stopped the conveyor so I could check the boards. And I forgot to turn it back on again. Here we go. So, there is the first panel. I'm actually going to take it off, look under the microscope and make sure everything is fine before I reflow it. The oven is ready to go. It's getting nice and hot in here. But I'd rather, for the first one, find a mistake before I reflow it than afterwards. But there you go, first panel of Neo7 segment minis. Pretty exciting. Okay, so first panel has been reflowed. Reflowed perfectly. There was no rework required, except I did just do a cosmetic fix just up here on one of the resistors. It was electrically sound, but I can't have a little resistor on a slight angle. Panel is great, and I've tested them all. I was going to build a test jig for these to test them, but what I actually did instead was just got my tiny Pico and just, you know, put down 3 pins, 3 pins, 3 pins, 3 pins, 3 pins. I can see the whole board, the digit light up underneath, and all I really need to know is that bottom corner LED on them. As long as that lights up, I know all the LEDs are good, because they're all individually addressable, but they all chain. So that's the very last LED of the chain. But it took me less than 30 seconds to test an entire panel, doing them one at a time. So I could invest 10 hours designing a test jig for it, or I could just test them 30 seconds per panel. So I'll probably keep doing that. So I have another board going right now. Oh, no, it just finished. There is my second one. I don't know how many I'm going to make today. Maybe 5 panels to start off with. But that is my Neo7 segment Mini. A brand new product that I'll be putting in the store hopefully today or tomorrow. If it's ready in time, I'll put the link to the store listing in the description of this video. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more pick and place or assembly stuff, let me know in the comments. One day I might even show you my setup once I finish cleaning up. Unlikely. Still working on storage. And yeah, it's just stuff everywhere right now. It's still a bit of a mess. One day. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.